Good morning students. Today we are learn fifth topic emerging mode of business. First, electronic business. Electronic business introduction. The new mantra of the day is growth, globalization cycle, time speeds and competitiveness. E-business in an abbreviation for electronic business in 1997, IBM started using the term e-business for the first time. E-business means using the internet to connect people and process. It opened new door to customers around the world. Electronic business refer to the use of the web, internet, interact, externet or some combinations thereof the conduct business. The internet and the web support together provide opportunity in selling, customers, relationship, product service, design, user support, geographic expenses, logistics and supply chain integration. Another one, introductions. The internet age has brought on new concept of commerce called e-commerce. Now it is possible to reach out a million of people by opening a shop on the internet. The person can buy and sell the goods and service on the internet. It means of e-business. Introduction of e-business. Next, meaning of e-business. Meanings of e-business. The term e-business is electronic business. It is derived from the term emails and e-commerce. E-business or electronic business in the administrations of conducting business via the internet. This would include the buying and selling of goods or services along with providing technical or customer support through the internet. E-business, e-commerce refer to buying and selling online, while e-business encompass all business conducted online. E-commerce is a branch of e-business. What is e-business? E-business or e-commerce is derived from such terms as emails and e-commerce. It is a conduct of business on the internet, not only buying and selling but also servicing customers and collaborating with business partners. This term was first introduced by IBM in 1997. E-business. Another ones we are learned today scope of e-business, electronic business. The scope of e-business is not restricted to only online shopping. It also includes online stock transactions and the use of software in India. Till now, business managed through traditional methods. Almost all types of business functions such as product, finance, marketing and personal administration as well as managerial activity like planning, organizing and controlling can be carried out all computer network. All marketing function carry out computer network. Various business and payments app popularly used in business transaction are PhonePe, Google, Swiggy, etc. Next, e-business, e-commerce has now reduced the chain of distribution. The four parts are producers, wholesalers, retailers and consumer has been reduced. The producer has started directly reaching out to the consumers. This has become a treat for the retailers and wholesalers. This can be avoided if the retailer, wholesalers, producers and consumer, this is all are the chain of distribution, work in harmony and try to reach the people by way of electronic commerce. Now, view from the perspective of firms, electronic transactions and network can be visualized as extending into 6 directions as follow. There are the 6 directions. First, B2B, business to business. Business to business, in this form, The buyer and seller are both business entities and do not involve individually consumers. Here, both the parties involved in electronic commerce transaction are business firm and hence the name business to business. That is the business to business. Business firms interact with each other for a variety of service. This includes supplying ancillary parts, components to manufacturing, providing manpower. It is similar to manufacturer issuing goods to the wholesalers to retailers. For example, Dell deals with computers and other associated accessories online. The method is one of the cost-effective way to sell out product throughout the world. This is the business to business. Next, business to consumers. Business to consumers, customer identify the needs and search for the product or service to satisfy the needs of consumers. Select a vendors and negotiate a price. Customer receive the product or service, make a payments, get service and between the business firm and consumer firms. Use marketing activities. This include promotion, production, product information, review about the product, service and delivery of product at the doorstep. Is the business to consumers. Business to consumers as the name suggested, it is the model taking business to consumers. It is an exchange of information, product and service taking place between a business and consumer over the internet. The basic concept of this model is to sell the product online to the consumers. Business to consumers is the indirect trade between the company and consumers. It provides direct selling through online. The products are seen on displays on the website of the supplier. The consumer can purchase by going through the website. It's the business to consumers. Another one, consumer to business. In this electronic transaction, the consumer requests a specific service from the business to consumer post. This request with a set budget online and company review the customer's requirement and bids out the project. For examples, pest control service, taxi service, doorstep food delivery, Swiggy, etc. This is the consumer to business. Another one, consumer to consumers. Consumer to consumers, it facilitates the online transactions of goods and services between two peoples, consumer to consumers. Involve the electronically facilitated transaction between consumer through some third party. A common consumer post an item for sales and other consumer bids to purchase. Consumer to consumers, it helps the online dealings of goods and services among peoples. Through there are no major parties, this process allowed the buyer and seller to display their goods and services which they would like to sell on the website. Payments are done through a PayNet and PayPal. Both are way of making up payments. This is the one example of this model is eBay. eBay is the internet allowed a lot of space for consumer group to be formed. These forums are various interactive redressals of complaints is also possible through such group. For the example of eBay. This is the consumer to consumers. Another were business to administrative. This part of electronic commerce encompasses all transactions conducted online between business and public administrative. For example, registrations of company, payment of taxes, getting permits, etc. This is the business to administrative as for registration of company and payment for tax and getting the permits. Another, consumer to administrative. The consumer to administrative model encompasses all electronic transactions conducted between individual and public administrative. For example, getting passport, Aadhaar card, license, etc. This transaction conduct between individual and public administrative, consumer to administrative, C2A. These all are the we are learned today here some scopes of various scope of business, electronic business. They are the 6 directions: business to business, business to consumer, consumer to business, consumer to consumer, business to administrative, and consumer to administrative. Now, assignment questions. First, what is e-business? Next, write down the scope of e-business. Thank you.